Welcome to Rollerdoor UK, Lincolnshire's largest garage door supplier. The premier choice for quality and reliability with over 30 years of expertise. We specialise in a wide range of garage doors, from stylish roller doors to robust traditional options. All manufactured, supplied and expertly installed within 50 miles of Barton-upon-Humber. Whether you need something secure, sleek or simply functional, our team is dedicated to helping you choose the perfect garage door for your needs and budget. We also offer nationwide delivery on our DIY garage door kits, so you can enjoy our high-quality products whenever you're in the UK. Each kit includes clear instructions and safety guidelines, making installation straightforward and satisfying. For professional or DIY installations, trust Rollerdoor UK to deliver quality, affordability and excellent customer service every time. Order online or call 01652 638 149 today.